Not sure where to stay in Seoul? Here's a peek at the accommodation we booked, and it turned out to be a great find. Welcome to WecoStay Myeongdong. It's right in the heart of Jung District, super close to Jung-gu Office, with bus stops, subways, and a 7-Eleven right across the street. It's not the cheapest option out there, but the size of the room, the amenities, and even how good it smells, it's totally worth it. Let's take a tour. We booked this room on agoda.com. It wasn't the cheapest option, but I chose it because of the room size and amenities, which were totally worth it. This is their Studio C room, which comes with one queen-size bed and one single bed, which was perfect for the three of us, me, my mom, and my daughter. There's also a small living area with a comfy sofa and a TV, a nice space to relax after a full day of sightseeing. One of my favorite features? Storage. There's a small room that basically acts like a walk-in closet. We were able to fit all our luggages in there. Plus, there are built-in cabinets for clothes and extra kitchen storage for plates, pans, and other things. The kitchenette has an induction cooker, a microwave, and a coffee maker, though to be honest, we didn't get to cook anything because we ate out the whole time. Another reason I chose this room was the washing machine, which is such a nice bonus if you're staying longer. But with our hectic schedule, we didn't get to use it either. The bathroom comes with a hot and cold shower, a bathtub, and a toilet. I personally love the scent of their toiletries. So refreshing. Small downside though, no bidet, which I hope they consider adding in the future. They also offer luggage storage, so you can leave your bags if your room's not ready yet, or if you're already checked out but still want to explore more. And check-in and check-out were both super smooth. Just scan a QR code and you're all set. After long days of exploring Seoul, this room was a cozy little space we looked forward to. It had everything we needed: space, comfort, and convenience. While it's not perfect, because I'm still crossing my fingers for a bidet next time, I'd say it's definitely worth the price of $138 per night. If you're planning a trip to Seoul and want a relaxing, accessible, and well-equipped place to stay, and especially if you are traveling with your family, I totally recommend WecoStay Myeongdong. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and until next time.